planning a trip to Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya. Let's dive deep into the Grand Riviera Princess, a sprawling all-inclusive resort that's been welcoming families and couples since the year 2000. This five-star beachfront property sits on 45 hectares of lush tropical gardens in Playa del Carmen, and it's part of the Princess Hotels and Resorts chain. With over 800 rooms, 12 restaurants, 9 pools, and direct beach access, this place is basically a small city dedicated to vacation fun. The resort has undergone some nice updates recently, with room refreshes in 2023 that brought new bedding and upgraded air conditioning to several categories. Reviews across multiple platforms consistently rate it between 8 and 8.5 out of 10, which is pretty solid for an all-inclusive of this size. Guests love the value for money, the incredible pool selection, and the friendly service, though some do mention that certain rooms could use more updating and that it can get crowded during peak season. But here's the thing about the Grand Riviera Princess: it knows exactly what it is and does it well. This isn't trying to be an ultra-luxury boutique hideaway. Instead, it's a full-throttle family vacation machine with enough amenities to keep everyone happy. Whether you're traveling with toddlers who need constant entertainment, teenagers who think they're too cool for everything, or you're a couple looking for some adults-only peace, this resort has carved out spaces for all of you. Let's talk about where you'll actually be sleeping during your stay. The Grand Riviera Princess offers more than 800 rooms spread across over 10 different categories, which gives you plenty of options depending on your budget and needs. Every single room comes with some standard features that make life easier. King or two queen beds, a private balcony or terrace, a minibar that gets restocked daily with drinks and snacks, coffee maker for those who can't function before caffeine, in-room safe, Wi-Fi that actually works, air conditioning, satellite television, hairdryer, and even an iron if you're the type who cares about wrinkles on vacation. The entry-level option is the superior room, which clocks in at 43 square meters or about 463 square feet. That's pretty spacious compared to many all-inclusive standard rooms. You can choose between one king bed or two queens, and there's a sitting area plus a bathroom with a shower. These rooms can accommodate up to 4 people, typically 2 adults and 2 children, and they overlook either the gardens or the pool areas. Some superior rooms even offer swim-up access, which means you can literally step from your patio right into a pool. Talk about convenience when you've got kids who want to be in the water from sunrise to sunset. The decor is bright and tropical, exactly what you'd expect from a Caribbean resort, and while some guests mention these rooms show their age a bit, they're clean and functional. If you want a bit more space, the junior suites bump you up to 52 square meters or 560 square feet. These feature a separate living area, one king bed plus a sofa bed, and here's a nice touch, a whirlpool tub in the bathroom. You can get garden or ocean views, and these also sleep up to 4 people. The junior suites come with some welcome amenities and give you that little extra breathing room that can make a difference when you're spending a week together. For families who really need space, the family suites are where it's at. At 70 square meters or 753 square feet, these units have 2 separate bedrooms, one with a king bed and another with twin beds. There's a living and dining area plus 2 full bathrooms. These can sleep up to 6 people, and some even include bunk beds for the kids and a PlayStation 5 console, which might just make you the hero parent of the year. The family suites typically overlook the pool or gardens and have enough room that everyone can spread out without driving each other crazy. At the top end, you've got the Grand Suite Oceanfront, a massive 90 square meters or 969 square feet of luxury. These feature a master bedroom with a whirlpool tub, a separate living room, a bar area, and 2 bathrooms. The views are directly out to the ocean, and these suites come with butler service and private check-in. The interiors are noticeably more upscale with marble bathrooms and high-end furnishings, plus a panoramic balcony where you can watch the Caribbean sunrise with your morning coffee. Pricing varies quite a bit depending on when you visit. During low season, which runs roughly from May through October, you're looking at around $250 to $350 per night for the standard categories. High season from December through April can jump to $450 to $700 per night. These prices include everything, all meals, drinks, activities, and entertainment. The resort doesn't offer 360-degree virtual tours on their official website, but you can find plenty of real guest photos on booking sites that give you an honest look at what to expect. Now let's get to one of the most important parts of any all-inclusive vacation, the food and drinks. The Grand Riviera Princess takes dining seriously with 12 restaurants and 8 bars spread across the property, all included in your stay. The main dining venue is La Riviera, a massive buffet restaurant that can seat over 500 people. This is your go-to spot for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, operating from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. The breakfast spread is particularly impressive with omelet stations where chefs cook eggs to order, fresh juice bars, tropical fruits, pastries, and both American and Mexican breakfast options. For lunch and dinner, they run themed nights throughout the week. You might find Mexican night one evening with fresh tacos and mole, Asian night another time with stir-fries and spring rolls, or Seafood Friday with mountains of shrimp and fish. The variety is genuinely good, though some guests do mention that if you're staying for a full week or more, you might notice some repetition. The buffet is casual dress and you don't need reservations, which makes it perfect for families with kids who eat on unpredictable schedules. Beyond the buffet, you have several a la carte specialty restaurants that require reservations, which you can make through the resort's mobile app. El Gaucho is the Argentine steakhouse, serving dinner from 6:30 to 11 p.m. This is where meat lovers need to go. They serve perfectly grilled steaks, empanadas, and everything comes with chimichurri sauce. The dress code is elegant casual, which means no shorts or tank tops, and the restaurant seats about 100 people. They occasionally run special steak tasting events where you can sample different cuts. If Italian food is more your style, Mamma Mia delivers exactly what you'd hope for: fresh pasta, wood-fired pizzas, and tiramisu that guests rave about. The atmosphere is cozy trattoria vibes with checkered tablecloths and the smell of garlic and basil in the air. They also offer pizza-making classes for kids, which is a fun activity that ends with lunch. Bamboo takes you on an Asian fusion journey with sushi, teppanyaki cooking, and dim sum. The restaurant is decorated with lanterns and has that peaceful Zen atmosphere. They do special sushi nights where the chefs really show off their skills with elaborate rolls and presentations. The beach bar is perfect for those days when you don't want to leave the pool or sand. Operating from 10 in the morning until midnight, this spot serves tropical cocktails, fresh ceviche, burgers, and snacks. The dress code here is literally swimwear, and they offer swim-up service so you don't even have to get out of the water. Picture yourself floating in the Caribbean Sea with a cold drink in hand and someone bringing you fish tacos. That's the vibe. All the restaurants offer vegetarian options and can accommodate gluten-free requests if you let them know in advance. There are dedicated kids menus everywhere with the usual favorites like chicken fingers and pasta. The beverage program includes both local and international brands, with premium options available. The bars stay open late, with some going until 2 in the morning, and the bartenders generally know their stuff. Most reviews praise the variety and quality of food, especially for an all-inclusive at this price point, though a few mention that the buffet can feel repetitive after several days and that making reservations for the specialty restaurants during peak season can be competitive. The pool situation at the Grand Riviera Princess is honestly one of its biggest selling points. They have 9 pools total, which sounds excessive until you realize they've thoughtfully designed them for different purposes and age groups. 3 of the pools are designated as family pools, and these are where the action happens. They feature water slides, kids' play areas, and shallow sections perfect for little ones. These pools range from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep and are absolutely massive, with the largest ones covering between 500 and 1,000 square meters. That's bigger than many Olympic-sized pools. During the day, these family pools are buzzing with activity, music, and pool games organized by the entertainment team. For those seeking peace, there are 2 adults-only infinity pools that offer a completely different vibe. These are quieter, feature swim-up bars where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and the infinity edge creates that stunning visual effect where the pool seems to blend into the ocean beyond. The adults-only pools are 1.3 meters deep and perfect for actually swimming laps or just floating in peace with a book. Then there are 3 additional quiet pools scattered around the property for guests who want something in between the family chaos and adults-only serenity, plus a dedicated kids splash zone with fountains and mini slides designed for toddlers. All pools are open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, and the water temperature is kept comfortable. Pool towels are provided and their service right to your lounger, meaning waiters come around taking orders for drinks and food so you never have to leave your spot. The pool areas have plenty of loungers, though during peak season you might need to claim yours early in the morning, which is pretty standard for popular all-inclusive resorts. As for the beach, the Grand Riviera Princess has 300 meters of white sand frontage on the Caribbean Sea. The water here is that famous turquoise color you see in photos, and it's generally calm with gentle waves, making it safe for swimming and perfect for kids. The beach offers free kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling equipment, so you can explore the coastline at your own pace. If you want something more adventurous, they rent catamarans for about $60 per hour. Beach service matches the pool experience with waiters bringing drinks and snacks, plus there are plenty of loungers and traditional palapas, those thatched palm umbrellas that provide shade. The palapas in prime beach spots are first come, first served, so again, early birds have the advantage during busy times. The sand is soft and well-maintained, and the resort participates in coral reef protection programs, so they're conscious about environmental impact. Some guests mention that during certain times of year, seaweed can wash up on the beach, but the staff works to clear it regularly. This is a natural occurrence throughout the Caribbean and not specific to this resort. When it comes to staying active, the Grand Riviera Princess offers plenty beyond just swimming and beach lounging. The fitness center is well equipped with treadmills, stationary bikes, free weights, yoga mats, and spin bikes. It's open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, so early risers and night owls can both fit in a workout. The space is air-conditioned, which is crucial in the Mexican heat, and there are usually enough machines that you're not waiting around. They offer complimentary group fitness classes throughout the day, including Zumba, aqua aerobics in the pool, and yoga sessions. These classes are led by energetic instructors and are actually pretty fun, even if you're not normally a group fitness person. If you want more personalized attention, you can book a personal training session for around $50 per hour. Beyond the gym, there are beach volleyball courts, and the entertainment team organizes tournaments and games throughout the week. You can join in or just watch from the sidelines with a cold drink. Water sports are big here, with the free kayaking and paddleboarding already mentioned, plus the resort can arrange excursions for deeper sea activities like scuba diving or deep-sea fishing for additional fees. Tennis courts are available, though you might want to play early morning or late afternoon to avoid the midday heat. The resort also runs daily activity schedules that include things like Spanish lessons, dance classes, and cocktail-making demonstrations. These activities are included in your stay and are a nice way to learn something new while on vacation. For those who prefer a slower pace, there are spaces designed just for relaxation, including quiet garden areas with hammocks and shaded seating where you can read or nap away from the pool noise. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.